Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to do a tire rotation on my Avalon 2021. I already picked up the jacks, make sure everything's safety, make sure there's locks in the back. I put two front jacks. I don't have enough low enough jack or long enough one to pick up from the back axle point in the middle. So what I'm going to do is pick one side at a time. I make sure you unbolt the bolts before you pick it up. It'll be easier for you. And let's start. So ladies and gentlemen, I did take the rear left tire out. So what you want to do is, when you switch the tires off, what you do is zigzag. So this left one will go on the front right, and then this back right tire will go on the left front. So you want to do a zigzag like an X. And then I'm gonna take that one off and switch it back. So when I'm about to change the tire, you can check the tire, you can check how everything works. If the tire, there's no nails or glass or anything stuck in there, you can take it out with a little like crooked hook here, take anything out, and you can check your brakes because it's better visibility. On your car, you can check what needs to be changed. While you're at it, it's good to inspect everything, make sure everything is good, tie it down, and if you need to clean, you could clean it, easier to clean it. And then I'm gonna put down there this front right, and the back left, and then down, that was on the back, put here, and then the other tire, and then we're good to go. A very simple and easy step. You can save yourself lots of money, you know, if you can do it yourself. Hope my videos help you guys out. I'm here to help you guys, and I want the best for everyone. So may God bless you, and I'll keep on moving forward with God's help. And then when you put that first tire together and all the tires together, make sure you double check the bolts, tying it snugly. Make sure they're snug while they're in the air. Don't put too much pressure, just enough to keep them tight. Make sure the wheel doesn't wobble. Double check everything, make sure it's safe, and then do it for all the tires, and then put the car down. You're good to go. Check tire pressure, and you're all set. So now what I did for the first side, we do the same thing on the other side. This right back tire goes to the front left comes back here. Easy steps. You find the support here, make sure you put in the support, lift it up, careful of the door, don't damage it, make sure it's safe, watch out for anything to fall, or make sure you know, kids stay away from it when it falls. On the kids, make sure everything's safe, and all the car jacks, the lift, whatever you'll be using, make sure it's all safe around you. That's the most important thing. Safety is number one priority, and God's help will finish it. Last step. Turns out I found a nail in the tire, so I'll have to fix that up, patch it up. And this tire, this wheel is going back to the back right, and we'll get it done. So I ran into a small situation here. Found two nails in the tire, one small, one big one. We're going to Les Schwab here, Vancouver. Had the tire loaded up. And Rubicon, our brother's Rubicon. Really nice truck. Right there, see? One nail and second one. we'll get it fixed up and come back. We'll keep you guys updated. So ladies and gentlemen, I did finish the car, and now I'm gonna have to get a new tire. I brought it to Schwab. They couldn't fix it because the nail was too close to the sidewall, and thank God, you know, I caught it on time. I put a little patch over there, so we'll see if it fixes it. But I will have to buy a new tire. Make sure you guys torque wrench you guys the wheels once you guys put it together. And hope you guys found this video helpful. And I just love helping you guys, love making these videos for you guys. And it's like DIY, do yourself and save money. But yeah, this Avalon TRD has been a wonderful car so far. It's a beautiful car, sporty, and I'll definitely make a video in the future. And that video of the car. Sucks they don't make it no more, you know. I heard they stopped it. They're gonna make the replacement will be like a crown from Japan. That's what I heard. We'll see what Toyota does. But yeah, I mean, God bless you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. And yeah, God bless you guys. Take care.